Hey guys, my name is Erin from the Cheshire Public Library, and today I'll be helping to teach you how to make your very own green screen right from home. I start out with 4 pieces of neon green poster board, and I got these from my local pharmacy, but any large pieces of green paper will work just fine. Then I find a large blank wall with plenty of light in my apartment, and I'll use tape to secure it to my wall. Make sure there are no gaps between the posters so it's one solid block of green. You don't want to cast a lot of shadows behind you, so I'm using a lamp to make sure that I get the most light possible. We're trying to keep the whole screen well lit and avoid harsh shadows. Now that our background is set up, I'll pass it off to Jared, our head of tech services, to explain how to transform our green screen.
Thanks, Erin. So let's delve into the tech end of things. So using a green screen is essentially telling a computer to remove one color from an image, making that section of the image transparent. In this case, we're going to be telling the computer to take anything that's close to this lime green color and make it invisible. You'll need some kind of video or photo editor to do this. So there's several apps out there. The library uses one called Green Screen by Do Inc. We use it on a few of our devices. It's great for simple background removals for image or video. But any editor, if you're using Premiere, iMovie, Final Cut, is going to have a section that'll let you do that. So I'm using Final Cut, but the process is kind of going to be the same for any editor. The effect we want to use is called chroma keying, or it's sometimes just keying. So I've got our video of Erin here queued up, and I'm going to search for the keying effect, which is the chroma keyer. And let's see what happens when I remove all the green. Alright, background becomes invisible. Since we have nothing behind it, we see all black. So let's add another video layer behind that. And for this you can use a still photo or a video, doesn't matter. We'll send her to Paris here. Alright, looks like a good view. How about underwater? Alright, we'll check out Egypt. And here we can bring her back to work at the library. And these are all still photos that I'm using, of course, but you could use a video background as well. If you do a video background, just make sure it's really steady, either on a tripod or really steady handheld cam. Otherwise, you kind of get this weird effect where the background moves at a different rate than your subject. And that's essentially it. So play around with it a little bit. It's a lot of fun once you get it going. We use it at the library for a lot of our programs for kids and stuff. And if you have any questions or problems setting it up, just shoot us a message. We're here to help. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and be safe.